Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Here we are telling you about Wireless N Wi-Fi Repeater setup in the easiest way. If you have a new Wireless N Wi-Fi Repeater, unbox the device first. In this box you will get a Wireless N Wi-Fi Repeater, an Ethernet cable and user manual. After unboxing, plug the Wireless N Wi-Fi Repeater into a wall socket or power outlet. Then power it on. Open your laptop, computer or mobile from which you want to set up your Wireless N Repeater device. Now connect your laptop or mobile device to Wireless N Repeater Wi-Fi network. After connecting, open a web browser and type 192.168.10.1 IP address in the web address bar, then hit enter. Now a login window will appear. This is the login interface for Wireless and Wi-Fi repeaters. Here you have to type username and password. The default username and password is admin. Type the credentials and press submit button. You will now be redirected to the admin dashboard. Here you will find the AP and repeater button at the bottom of the wizard. Select the repeater option. In the repeater wizard, you will find your router's SSID. Select the SSID of your router that you want to extend for long distance. After selection, you have to type the SSID password. Here you can change the repeater SSID name if you want. Repeater Wi-Fi password and router password will be the same. Now click on the Apply button. Congratulations! Your Wireless N Wi-Fi repeater setup is completed. I wish this video will helps. If you face any kind of issue in the Wireless N Wi-Fi repeater, then you can contact us for the solution. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe us for more informational videos.